Hey YouTube family and GN subs, Humberto here. Hope you're having a great day. Hope you had a great week. And we got a lot of update good news for you this week. For those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Humberto Gray, attorney. And hey, we bring you good news. That's what I do. We break down complicated subject matter, make it very easy to understand. It's really cool. Welcome, and let's jump right in. Let's get to it. Hey, so we have good news from the U.S. consulates abroad. They have discretion now in reopening their post. This is really important. So what you can do is you can go to the website at the U.S. consulates abroad. They've been reopening slowly, and they've been prioritizing certain cases, such as family cases, certain employment-based cases, where there is a national interest exemption, a real business urgency. Things are opening up now. And so there's guidance from DOS that each consulate is going to have their own discretion to do what they need to do. So what you need to do is you need to go to the website at the U.S. consulate, check it out, okay? They will tell you which cases they are prioritizing. If you've been waiting in line for a family-based case, they may open it, get you through, make an inquiry. You may just get an appointment. I've been doing that for my clients, and it's been working. So, it doesn't hurt to ask, right? All they can say is no, or just wait. But until you get proactive and you ask, it's not going to happen. So, hey, things are looking good. Department of State, consulates reopening. Take advantage. All right, the BBB, Better Back Bill. You've been hearing about this, folks. I gave you some details last weekend. I'm going to give you a few more details this weekend. Here's the deal. Little background. We know it passed the House, right? Now it goes to the Senate. They're going to tweak it. They're going to make some changes. But the provisions that are really cool that people are leaving me comments are the payment of additional fees, $2,500, $5,000, $50,000, payment of additional fees to waive the priority date. And then the other provision, of course, is for 6.5 million non-citizens to be able to have parole status, 5-year work permit, etc. Really cool stuff, right? So here's how it works. This bill can pass by 50-50 in the Senate. How? It has to be a reconciliation bill. What does that mean? What that means basically is that the bill has to be about spending, okay? And so what happens is there's a procedure in the Senate where the parliamentary group, they determine whether or not a certain provision in a bill is related to spending. So that's what's been happening here. We've been arguing, obviously, that it is part of spending. This is going to economically affect the U.S. in terms of workers. There's a need for essential workers in the U.S. That's been part of our immigration policy. You need to put money into that to make it happen. This is how it's done. So we are arguing that, right? The last two provisions in the Senate was not recommended by the parliamentary branch of Senate, okay? That's why those bills previously pretty much gone at this point. Here's the good news. This particular provision with the penalty fees and the deferred action for the 6.5 undocumented, good news, the parliamentary branch is considering it, okay? This is real important. If they give the go-ahead that it's related to spending and they give the approval, I think it's going to pass the Senate, right? We are still alive. I know you've been hearing a lot about this amnesty stuff, guys, but stay tuned. I'm going to keep you updated on this, okay? All right. I told you the good news before. I'm going to tell you again. AILA attorneys won for the extension of work permit, H-4s, Es, L, spouses of principal applicants who are eligible for work authorization, automatic extensions. Well, immigration last week came out with their specific guidance. I'm going to put a link in the description box where you can read, it's only a page, the actual policy, who's affected, how is the work authorization automatically issued, what do you need to show your employers in terms of the I-9 provisions, all there, folks. Good stuff. Read it. I'm bringing this uniquely and specifically only to you. All right, here's another policy guidance. Link in the description box. For those of you who may qualify for citizenship due to your service in the military, if you served during these recent conflicts, you can apply for citizenship. Look, I've done a whole video on this and I get a lot of comments on it. So here's Here's the video. I'm going to give you a link. Go check out that video. And then what I want you to do, I'm putting a link in the description box. Check out this memo from USCIS on how to do this, okay? Who's affected, who can come in. You can actually get a parole if you're outside of the US, you haven't gotten your citizenship yet, you're not even a permanent resident. It has a provision where you can actually come into the United States to be naturalized and become a US citizen. Good stuff here. Check it out. I always give you good news on real-time cases. These are cases in my office, folks. Here's, again, last week I had another one. This week, here is an N-400 application for U.S. citizenship, adjudicated 30 days, folks. Check it out. 30 days. Applications for citizenship that have been filed after January of 2021. Rapid speed. File for your citizenship, folks. It's happening, all right? Thanks for watching GrayLaw TV. Give me a thumbs up. Click the link below, like and subscribe. For those of you who are new, go to my playlist. The playlists are very cool. I'm coming at you also with some live chat. I need you guys to be available on that day, okay? I'm going to do Wednesdays, 4 o'clock. It's going to be coming soon. So get ready for that. And hey, come at me with any question you have. We'll live chat it out. Look forward to seeing you again next week.